So we're not going to reread these passages. We're just going to go off our memory. Number 9. What is one similarity between Death Valley and the Redwood Forest? So what do they have in common? How are they the same? A. They are both located in California. Is that true? Maybe. B. They both have visitors during the summer. Redwood Forest didn't talk about visitors during the summer, so that's not our answer. C. They both never get rain. That's not true, because we know Death Valley, it said that it gets little rain. And then it also talked about rain in the poem for the Redwood Forest. So C is not our answer. D. They both were named by pioneers. That is not true for both. That is only true for Death Valley. So our answer here is A. Number 10. One similarity between the selection, which is that first Death Valley, and the poem, which is the Redwood Forest, is that they both describe F. How weather can be challenging. When we read the poem, we didn't talk about the weather being challenging, so F is not our answer. G. How both places got their names. Nope, that poem didn't tell us about the name. Only Death Valley told us how it got its name. So G is not our answer. H. Unique places found in nature. Could be. Or J. The forest on the California coast. And this one was the forest on the California coast is only the Redwood Forest, so it cannot be both. So our answer here is H. Number 11. Which of the following describes a difference between the selection and the poem? A. The poem describes why people visit and the selection does not. Nope, that is opposite. The selection, Death Valley, describes why people visit. The poem does not. B. The poem describes temperature in summer while the selection does not. That is not true. C. The selection describes the appearance of the trees at dawn while the poem does not. That is not true. And D. The selection consists of factual information while the poem allows a deeper understanding of the Redwood Forest. So D is our answer because we're getting facts and information from Death Valley. That was an informational text. And the poem is giving us an emotional, deeper feeling about that forest. Number 12. And the last question. How is stanza 3 in the Redwood Forest similar to paragraph 5 in Death Valley? So stanza 3. These redwoods mysteriously soar until they touch the sky. Giants who rest their heads upon the clouds, their trunks stand like pillars that were built to support the stars. Comparing that to paragraph 5 in Death Valley. Death Valley reaches such high temperatures for a reason. The valley floor is a long and narrow oval that is surrounded by tall mountains. The sun beats down on the valley floor, warming the air. Hot air tends to rise, but the high mountains around the valley are like walls that trap most of the heat during the day. Hot air is then forced back down into the valley, and with little chance to cool off at night, the heat is on. So how are these similar? How are they the same? F. The authors include a simile to describe the weather of each location. No, that didn't happen. G. The authors include figurative language to describe the Redwood Forest. We're not just talking about Redwood Forest, we are talking about Death Valley as well, so G is not our answer. H. The author includes a simile to describe the height of the mountains and the trees. Yes, that did happen. Or J. The authors include a metaphor to describe the night sky in each location. Nope, the author did not describe the night sky, so our answer here is H. So we are now going to move on to the test corrections so we can help boost our grades on these tests. You will not have a word study or a read aloud today since this lesson was longer than usual. And I want you to take your time and try your best on your test corrections. And if you have any questions before you submit it, please let me know so I can help you on it.